Hi there, and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. Pretty sure this is a cicada killer. Over here messing around with these flowers. I'm actually looking for a gigantic wasp that's out here. I don't have much time. It's about to rain. This dude showed up. He's got really cool wings. Look how they're like the blue color. I've actually got photos of him eating spiders and what else did he eat? A mole cricket. So, never seen one playing in the flowers and getting some nectar other than eating that raw dog meat. Oh, what's this little green thing? Let me film. Let me see. Oh, there's a green flying thing over here. Okay, pretty cool looking. But you can see how far I just got my arm straight out, extended over this bush or these flowers, because it's in a ditch actually. Look at his face all covered. Look like damn what's my man's name? Look like Johnny Depp and Blow. I can't feel my face, man. I mean, I can feel it and all, but I can't feel my face. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. Boy, wipe your face off. Peace.